Hi, my name's Bonnie Curtis, and today I'm going to show you how to sew a bra into a leotard.
To nip or not to nip? That is the question. 'Tis a noble pursuit to free the nip, but today we will learn how to hide the nip in a leotard. By the end of this video, you will be able to sew a bra into a leotard and never have to deal with the nip dilemma again. You will need the following items: a nude strapless convertible bra in your size, or a bra that's a similar colour to your leotard, cotton the same colour as your leotard, a sewing needle, sewing pins or a safety pin. These aren't necessary, but it does make the job so much easier. Scissors, your leotard.
Band-aids. If you're like me and you're a little bit clumsy, you're probably going to stab yourself and start to bleed.
Let's get started. Step 1. We are going to cut the sides of the bra off here. I bought a cheap bra from Kmart for less than $5, so I'm not destroying an expensive bra. You want to cut along this part here rather than the underwire of the bra, so there is something to give you a little bit of support. If your leotard has a back and you won't see the clasps, you can ignore this step and not cut your bra apart. Step 2. We're going to cut our thread. I don't measure the thread, I just use a visual guesstimate. I think it's better to have a little bit less of the thread because it can get tangled, and you can always cut more if you run out halfway through. Step 3. Thread your needle. I put one end of the thread through the needle eye and then match both ends up like so. Then I tie a double knot to make sure it doesn't slip through the fabric. I cut the excess off and I pop that in the bin. Step 4. We're going to attach the bra to the leotard. We match the bottom of the bra up with the bottom of the leotard bra lining, so it sits under our boobs when we put it on. I use a couple of pins to attach the bra to the leotard, mostly where I'm going to start sewing from and where I'm going to. If you don't have pins, you can hold the bra in place as you start sewing a few stitches. This requires more care because the bra can move out of place. You'll need to check the bra that it is sitting properly and readjust where needed. Once you've started to sew and attach the bra, the pins aren't necessary because the bra won't move around that much, so you can take them away. Step 5. Start sewing. You make the first stitch at the front of the bra, then you circle the needle over to do your second stitch at the front of the bra, next to the first, travelling upwards. The thread goes over like this and makes a knot with the second stitch like so. This really secures the bra into place strongly so it won't randomly start to fall apart mid-performance. Continue this until you reach the end. If you start to run out of thread halfway through, tie a double knot in the thread and cut it away. Rethread your needle and start from where you finished. I have no idea what this sewing technique is called. I taught myself how to hand sew because I can't use a sewing machine. In the sewing class I had at high school, I got a boy who had the hots for me to do my project. In hindsight, it was probably a poor decision because actually knowing how to use a sewing machine would probably be very helpful. I'm sure there is a name for this stitch, and if you know what it is, share it in the comments below. Okay, we've reached the end. Now I'm going to tie a double knot to finish the stitch off like so. Then we cut the thread like so, and we are done. Let's see what the leotard looks like with our awesome nipple covering bra. Here you can see the leotard in action in our 2019 season of Wonderland.
If this video helped you unfree the nip, be sure to like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. If you like this video, you can support us on Patreon. From as little as $1 a month, you can help us keep creating awesome tutorial videos and other cool projects.
check out the link in the video description below.
For those of you that don't know me, my name is Bonnie Curtis. I'm the Artistic Director of Bonnie Curtis Projects. We're an independent dance company based in Sydney, Australia. We make genre-defying and innovative works about the world around us. To find out more about us, visit our website or follow us on social media. The links are in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial video. Peace out.